Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, as part of SharePoint Premium Advanced Management, today in this video we're going to walk through Data Access Governance Report. What are these and how they all work? So I have got this subscription, and if you just click here, what it does is like discover sites in organization with potentially overshared sensitive content plus download detailed reports to view up to 10,000 sites per report. Wow, that's good. So if you go to the reports tab, of course, like you need to have this feature enabled. You see data access governance. And if you open, you're going to see types of reports that are supported, sharing links, sensitivity label, content shared with everyone except external user, because this is a potential risk because then everyone in your organization can access the content. Then we have enterprise app insight, review non-Microsoft applications registered on your Entra Admin Center to allow access to SharePoint site. Okay, so this is kind of like this is something that is for admins, or you can say even for security guys. Okay, so we'll go through one by one for all of them. Let's go for sharing links. I click on where report. So what are the things? Anyone links, people in your organization links, specific people links shared externally. So if I click on this, so I'm gonna do run all, okay, and then we'll review the report once it, of course, it's ready. Let's go back to data governance report. Okay, sensitivity label applied to files. So I have not created sensitivity labels, so this I'll cover in some other video. But yeah, you can run it from here. Content shared with everyone with except external user. So I can create a report. I need to put a name, template. Oh, so you can restrict it based on site template, but I selected all. Privacy, all. Report type specific files, folder, and list. We show sites where every user was given access to specific file or folders in last 28 days. Okay. Site membership. This will show sites where was added to site membership in last 28 days. Okay. So I just select this, but yeah, it's good. It should be like you should run the other report too. It's gonna take some time. Okay. So we went through this. Uh, then enterprise app. Range. Oh, so it is has data up to last 28 days. Okay. So this is gonna run to, you can go to my review reports. Okay. Or it's running. Okay. So it's still running. That's why it's not coming over there. But yeah, so in this way it works, guys. And once these reports are ready, you can take a look and you can just decide what to do and what not to. So that's how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.